So as many of you know, I have welders. I like to weld. Problem is, I don't know how to weld. So I got a buddy of mine that said he's gonna help me set up my machine. He's thinking that it's just a machine problem. This is Cody.
What's up?
He's gonna show me how to set the machine up and hopefully I can get this done right. I don't know. Let's get started. All right, so what we got here, we just got some 1" by 1/8" flat stock here. Cut a couple chunks off here. He's gonna weld it this way here. That way we can cut it when it's done and see what kind of penetration we can get out of that. Mind you, this is only a 110.
Mind you, I haven't welded in 7 years. Faster wire speed.
Yeah, it's pretty slow.
Yeah. That's not that bad. Yeah, that was pulling. That's not that bad for not doing this for a while.
Yeah, I can't do anything like that.
I will show you. She's a little goopy. I could probably turn the wire speed down a little bit. The problem is gravity wants to make it fall.
That's still better than any weld I've ever done. Hang on, you need to watch my videos.
I'm gonna try one more, right?
I don't care what you say, that's better than any weld I've done. I'm not welding on steel that's this nice, but
Right.
still.
So what we'll do is we'll start here, we'll push it this way. We're gonna try to penetrate as much as possible.
That'll push the puddle?
Yeah.
Am I correct? All right, I'm gonna try to watch, but like I said, I can barely see a thing. God, look at how nice that is.
Yeah, well I gotta move quick because the wire speed's so fast because I want it hot. So I want the wire speed to actually feed, but if you notice, I don't know if you're gonna see the camera, when I'm pushing it, the puddle's moving. So I gotta be moving in circles as well.
So this one was pulling. Ooh, that's warm.
Yeah.
And that was pushing, right?
Yeah.
Which one do you guys think is better? Yeah, pushing, pulling. I think pushing myself. That must make me a top.
Well, pushing you get better penetration. Because if you think about it, when you pull, your puddle's right there, and as you're pulling down, you're losing all that heat. But if you're pushing, you're constantly pushing into the material, which is causing more heat, which is getting better penetration. All right, I'm gonna clean this one up a bit. I'm gonna do a full pass over that, and then I'll do a bottom pass and a top pass. Hopefully it looks better than that.
Okay. Oh, there's not even a comparison, man.
But if you look,
That
it sticks out a little far.
versus that. It's not even a comparison.
No, yours looks way better.
Yours
Mine's
looks
skinny.
10 times better.
No, mine's too skinny.
Yeah, but I'm looking at the penetration down here.
I was going super slow.
Well, I guess I got a lot to learn. I just need to practice more. He's been doing it for a long time, but I got a little better. We'll see what happens next time I weld. Stay tuned.